When you search for the best lubricants for sliding door tracks, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Quick Ship Door Hinge Lubricant. The Quick Ship Door Hinge Lubricant caught my eye with its simple yet effective design and a price tag of $9.99. This tiny 1-ounce bottle is a must if you want to eliminate those annoying squeaks quickly and effectively. This lubricant bonds to surfaces, providing long-lasting protection from rust, corrosion, and wear. With a freezing point of -55 degrees Fahrenheit, it's suitable for year-round use on locks, automotive parts, and even bike chains. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have sliding doors that stick or squeak, just a few drops of this can restore them to smooth operation in no time. It's designed for hard-to-reach areas, making it perfect for those pesky spots that often get overlooked. Plus, it's non-toxic and harmless, so you can use it around your home without the fear of harmful fumes. Now, some people complained about the bottle being a bit small. Here's the thing though, if you're using this for specific spots like door hinges or locks, a little goes a long way, making it last longer than you'd think. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, safe lubricant for small home repairs. Skip this one if you're looking for something more heavy-duty. For $9.99, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more versatility, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 2, Keys White Lithium Grease. The Keys White Lithium Grease priced at $7.99. This one stands out with its brush applicator for precision, making it easy to get into those hard-to-reach areas. If you want to reduce noise and wear for your sliding door tracks, this is worth a serious look. This lithium grease creates a waterproof barrier that blocks moisture, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. It can handle temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, which means it won't wash out or degrade easily. It also effectively eliminates squeaks and grinding in metal and plastic parts, which is exactly what you need if your sliding doors are making noise. Some users pointed out that the tube can be a bit messy if not handled carefully. Here's the deal. If you take your time applying it and use the included brush, it's manageable. Just make sure to apply it slowly and deliberately. This is perfect for you if you have multiple metal components and need a multi-purpose lubricant. Skip this if you prefer a spray lubricant for broader coverage. At $7.99, it's a great value considering its versatility.
Product number 3, ZDBB Wood Drawer Wax, retailing for $8.99. This isn't just any lubricant. It's a paste that revitalizes wood and keeps your sliding glass doors and furniture operating smoothly. If you want an odorless solution that's ideal for indoor use, this is worth checking out. Its silky texture allows for even distribution, which means you won't have to worry about sticky or squeaky situations with your wooden components. It effectively eliminates those annoying noises by reducing friction and can even restore aging wooden furniture. Plus, it's safe for multiple surfaces, including metal and plastic, making it versatile for various home uses. One drawback is that it may require a bit more effort to apply than a spray version. Some users found it a bit tedious to work into tight spaces. However, I think the effort pays off for the results you get, especially for wooden items. This is perfect for you if you want a safe and effective lubricant for wooden furniture and sliding tracks. Skip this if you need something specifically for metal components. For $8.99, it's a solid choice for wood care. Product number 4, Bellacino White Lithium Grease. The Bellacino White Lithium Grease, priced at $8.99. This one offers a generous 60 milliliters, making it a great option if you have multiple items to maintain. If you want a reliable lubricant that protects against rust and wear, this is definitely worth a look. It forms a protective film that shields surfaces from moisture and corrosion, which is crucial for outdoor or heavy-duty applications. Whether you're using it on garage door tracks, door hinges, or bike components, it ensures smooth operation by reducing metal-on-metal friction. It's designed to withstand demanding environments without washing out. Some users mentioned that it can be a bit thick, making it harder to apply in certain situations. Here's the thing though, once it's in place, it provides excellent protection and longevity, which is what you really want. This is perfect for you if you need a multi-purpose lubricant for different environments. Skip this if you prefer something that's easier to apply in tight spots. For $8.99, it offers great value for its quality.
Product number 5, AGS Company MR Zip Graphite Lubricant. We have the AGS Company MR Zip Extra Fine Dry Graphite Lubricant, available for $8.33. This is a different approach with its dry film lubricant, perfect for reducing friction and various applications. If you want a product that helps eliminate squeaks without the mess of traditional oils, this is worth considering. The graphite powder formula excels in enduring both hot and cold conditions, making it versatile for locks, door hinges, and even fishing reels. Unlike liquid lubricants, it repels dust and dirt, which is crucial for maintaining clean surfaces and extending the lifespan of your components. It's user-friendly and portable, making it a great addition to any toolbox. However, some people found it less effective on heavily rusted parts. Here's the thing. If you're maintaining regularly and using it for light lubricating tasks, it performs excellently. This is perfect for you if you want a cleaner option for lubricating sensitive components. Skip this if you need something for severely rusted items. At $8.33, it's a great value for its unique application.
So, to wrap it all up, the Quick Ship Door Hinge Lubricant is great for quick fixes. The Keys White Lithium Grease is versatile with its brush applicator. The ZDBB Wood Door Wax is perfect for wooden items. The Bellacino White Lithium Grease offers robust protection, and the AGS Mr. Zip Lubricant provides a clean application. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your specific needs.